Alright, in this class, into this class, we are going to be looking at how to find the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. Now, in a 3 by 3 matrix, there's something we call, when you're looking for the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix, there's something we call sign pattern. I don't want to go deep into this, but I'll just explain this. That is to say, you can use all these elements as your leading factor to solve for the determinant of this matrix. So when you're using this first pattern, that means these are the sign patterns you are going to be using. If you are using this one as your leading factor, these are the sign patterns you are going to be using. If you are using this as your leading factor, these are the sign patterns you are going to be using. But the most commonly used leading factor is the first row, the one in the row, first row. So we are going to be using this one. So we are going to be picking out this sign pattern. So anytime you have a question, pick your pencil, then use your pencil to write a positive, negative, and positive. Make sure they are in this alignment. Make sure they are in this alignment. So let's solve now. Solving further, now this is what we are doing. The first number we have here is 2. That's positive 2. So the matrix the determinant of k now, the determinant of k become, the first number I have here is plus 2. That will be plus 2. Then you open another sign for determinant. Now look at something here. If I decided to do as now, this is 2, Abi. So anything under this 2 and anything in front of it, you neglect it. Look at it. If I decided to block the number in front of 2 and under 2, so I am left with 0, 3, 2, and 5. So that's what you are going to put inside this bracket. So 0, 3, 2, and 5. So I have 0, 3, 2, and 5. Now here we have minus 1 times 1. That's here will be minus 1. So we open another bracket. So if I decided to block everything under 1 and everything beside 1, whether in front of 1 or at the back of 1, what did I have left? I have 4, 3, 1, and 5 left. So I'm going to be writing here 4, 3, 1, and 5. And the last number we have is also plus 2. So the same, if you repeat the same step. So I have plus 2. When you block this and you block this, you have, what do you have left? You have 4, 0, 1, and 2. So taking us further, so we have 2. Positive 2 is 2. So you look for the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix. You still remember how we do this. So this will become 0 times 5, that's 0, minus 2 times 3, that's 6. So minus 1, open bracket, 4 times 5, that's 20. 1 times 3 is minus 3. Then plus 2, open bracket, 4 times 2 is what? 8. 1 times 0, minus 0. So this one is 2 into bracket, 0 minus 6 is minus 6. Minus 20 minus 3 is 17. Plus 2 into bracket, 8 minus 0 is 8. So here we have 2 times minus 6, that's minus 12. Minus 17. Sorry, minus 1 times. Minus 1 times 17 will give us minus 17. And 2 times 8 will give us 16. So when you collect like things, you have minus 12 minus 17. That will give us minus 12 minus 17 will give us minus 29. When you add 16 to that, that's 29 plus 16. Minus 29 plus 16. You know, your answer will be a negative answer. Just take away 16 from this. So you have 3 and 1. That's minus 13. So the determinant of this man is minus 10.